the journey so far. The Anatomical Modeling Lab and Studio and the Additive Manufacturing and Printing Labs have been upgraded and all set up in Uniport under the auspices of TET Fund. In the past 2 years, anthropometric and photogrammetric data have been collected from 2 major tribes in Nigeria, and their structured data are being collated and analyzed in categories for different variables, combined and catalogued. Data collection for 3 major tribes and development of graphic design, 3D printing of relevant molds and sculpting for the production line of Negroid models will be carried out in the 4th quarter of 2023. Established Anatomical Modeling Lab will develop a clinical anthropometric reference manual for Nigerians to serve as a guide for clinicians, coroner's inquest and ergonomic furniture design.
My name is Professor Hakim Fawaini, a professor of clinical anatomy and anthropometry with the University of Port Harcourt. I'm the chairman of the Anatomical Modeling Research Group, a multidisciplinary research group that has been involved in the past 18 years in generating normative values for ethnic-specific population among the Negroids. The group thought it wise that since most of the cadaveric specimen we dissect and since most of the patients who attend our clinics are Negroids, that we should research into ethnic-specific values, normative values for the Negroid population, which we can apply in the mass production of Negroid anatomical models. We have used a manual anthropometric approach using various measurements and photogrammetric approach, which we use mostly for the facial features. We've also been able to develop an anthropometric chair that has enhanced our ability to develop normative values which we can apply for ergonomic furniture design.
I am Dr. Celestine Ebieto of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, a member of the Anatomical Modeling Research Group, and my duty here is to get data from the field, from the members of the anatomy in our research group. When I get the data is fed into a computer software, SolidWorks, where we now use it to draft the model. And after the model is drafted, the next thing is to slice the model. The process of sliding is converting that model which aligns into G codes, and those codes are now transferred to the printer, the 3D printer, and the 3D printer takes it from there and does the printing. These are some of the results of the printing we have done of using the first sets of data that we have got.
This is the Anatomical Modeling Research Group, University of Port Harcourt, and we have been working on our Negroid anatomical models. At this stage, we have gotten the shells. We have our shells already. Molds. All these ones are the molds, and you can see the references at the back. We need more to commit into this. We need a second tranche so that at least we'll be able to fill up the work. The major work is in the studio. My name is Dr. Chile Oparacha. I'm the second vice chairman of the Anatomical Modeling Research Group, University of Port Harcourt.
I am Lord Ergonomic, a member of the Anatomical Modeling Research Group. We take anthropometric data from our population and then we use it to build anatomical models. For example, this is a model of the thorax. You can see the clavicle, the pectoralis major, and then the breast. We use this model to train medical and health science students. This is our aim.